Hello dear student, again I welcome you in this second part of video. So student, in the second part I will continue the poem. I will continue the explanation of the poem. Not one is dissatisfied. Not one is demented with the mania of owning things. Here student, demented it means mad. And mania of owning things it means craze of owning things. Craze of owning materialistic things. So here poet says, in the world of animal everyone is happy and satisfied and no one is mad because of the craze, the greed of possessing more and more material things like human beings. And then he says in the next line, he says, not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Kneels it means to go on knees or to bend down. And his kind that lived thousands of years ago, it means their ancestors. So student, here poet says animals do not kneel down before anyone. They never worship anyone, and he says then they are free from the habit of praying their ancestors also. And then in the next line the poet says not one is respectable or unhappy over the world, over the whole earth. Here the poet says, when the poet says not one is respectable, he means that each in the world of animal they treat each other equally and enjoy similar status. So here when the poet says not one is respectable, he means that since all of them are equal, there is no question of respect to some and insult to other. They treat each other equally. All these features of animals make them happy and uncomplaining. In the next line the poet says, so they show their relations to me and I accept them. Here in this line the poet feels that animals represent human beings in some way. This means that animals seem to have what human beings once had, that is virtue like kindness, self-containment and innocence. So here poet says he finds in them the good human qualities, so he accepts their company. And then poet says they bring me tokens of myself, they evince them plainly in their possession. It means to show. So here the poet says they reminds me about the good qualities of virtues that once possessed by human being, and now the good qualities they show me now in them. Then poet says in the next line, in the last line the poet says, I wonder where they get those tokens. I told you the meaning of tokens. Tokens it means symbols of good or virtuous quality that possessed that was possessed by human beings earlier. So here the poet says, I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge time ago and negligently drop them? Here the poet asks to himself. He asks to himself a question. Here the poet says, I always think where they got those tokens means good qualities of innocence, of kindness, and then he says that he wonders that human beings drop them those virtues or good qualities a long time ago. Here, poet believed that civilization has corrupted human beings, and instead of teaching them values, it has taught them greed. And finally, poet ends the poem and compels us to think that we have lost our good qualities of kindness, of innocence, and we have become greedy and less tolerant. So here the explanation of the poem is over. Thank you, student. I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.